to be
playing with fidgets.
yeah, sure.
Yeah, let's go for some fidgets.
Okay, so just a warning, we have a lot of fidgets to play with, so this video might take like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. Like we have like 8
We got
minutes.
whole dinner time.
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
We'll be right back, you guys.
Yeah,
This will take like 8.
I'm gonna keep you company. You can go.
Okay.
Okay.
Just don't say anything weird.
Okay. Hello. Okay, hello. Don't mind me.
Okay, you guys. So, okay, you like this really creepy horror person. It's not even creepy. It's just like the very.
Okay, I'll go get the fidgets.
Okay, the very bad.
Where's your mom in there?
Okay. Oh my God, guys! I saw cartoon cats in my house at 3 a.m. Oh my God! This is cartoon cat. This is so scary. I am making out with their cartoon cats.
Oh my God.
Am I making what? What
Wait,
am I
where's
doing?
the fidgets? Oh my God.
You're in a tent.
I just remembered.
Okay. Oh my God, guys!
All right.
I saw cartoon cat.
All right, wait a minute.
Oh my God, guys! Swordhead came to my house at 3 a.m. last night. Oh my God, guys! I need to fight it. Oh my God, guys! This is a dream come true. I have finally met Siren Head. Oh my God!
Oh my God, that's so amazing. How did you get that?
Croquet.
Oh my God, how do you get that amazing app? What is it called?
Pixar.
Oh my God, I cannot believe it. You're the one. You're the loving God. What can I do to repay you?
Okay, so everyone, get out of my way, Siren Head and Cartoon Cat. Go away, Cartoon Cat. Okay, so, oh my God, guys, Cartoon Cat is right next to me. What do I do, you guys? Oh my God, you guys.
Oh my God, my beastie just got eaten by Cartoon Cat. What do I do?
I'm gonna party since she's right there. Back.